Right, just want to show you this quick. So I've dropped a spreadsheet into ChatGPT. There's nothing really on the spreadsheet. You can hopefully see it's just a percentage completed against everything. Very straightforward, not a lot of data. It's effectively looked at that and then started pulling information out, what it's going to analyze, what it's going to do. If I did want to do, excuse me, all the coding, it does all that, cleans all the columns, sorts them out. We start to pull together out now all the average completion rates for each one. So it's obviously doing a little bit of maths in the background, projects with highest completion rates, projects with lowest, comparisons across all of them. Obviously, again, the report was very minimal, so there's not a huge amount of info to put into it. You can then ask it basically to generate a PDF version of that and click on that. And effectively in my downloads, I've got a PDF document that says, here's all the information that's just told you about completion rates, top 3 projects, top 3 with the lowest, comparisons. I then mentioned to you this morning about that ask your PDF one. So I've just logged the PDF into that. And again, it's immediately looked at what it is. It's starting telling me information without me asking it anything. It started telling me information about all those, giving me some questions to think about. I've asked it for some more information on that, and it's just giving me a breakdown of the completion rate and where we're at, project comparison, how it competes with some of the other stuff, implications, current status, and then next steps to obviously improve it. So while it's going well. So I haven't put loads of information in, but you can see how from a project or PMO perspective, very quickly with a bit of training on some of these tools, you can start to actually take so much kind of work off your team and start to load it into this and be able to use the tools. So if I go back to ChatGPT, I was a minute ago, I was asking it how I integrate all of it into Hashiru. So effectively it takes the information and takes it straight into ChatGPT and builds it. It's obviously giving me all the prompts and the Python code and everything else that you need, all the pandas, which I didn't even understand. So I asked it to explain that to me in simple terms. How to read spreadsheets, it can do it. You don't have to do all this. You basically put the spreadsheet in and tell it to crack on with it and get on with it. So I'm now looking at how I can use Hashiru and ChatGPT or AI to actually start to put all your tasks in, but also then for it to be able to pull a report at the end that says, this is everything that's working well, this isn't working well, this is where you need to go. So definitely start to have a play with it, see where you get to with some of this stuff, mate, because I think it's going to change how you do stuff.